Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick and Boots Vintage. Let's get started. Pentart Clear Varnish comes in both matte and glossy. The difference between these two is obvious. Obviously, one will dry to a non-reflective flat appearance, which is the matte, and then the glossy will give you a nice shiny or reflective surface. Now, depending on which one you use, depends on what look you're going for in your project. So if you want something shiny, obviously use glossy. If you don't want any shine at all, you'll use the matte. But make sure everything's dry before using this. Then you want to make sure you stir it really well. The matte varnish, you can see the white on the bottom, so make sure that's all mixed up really good before you put it on. You're going to just brush on a nice even coat. Very on the lighter side, does not need to be thick. If you need more durability, just wait for the first coat to dry and then you'll add your second coat. Now there are a few pro tips that you should know about the clear varnish. First, you want to use a solvent to clean it up. Soap and water will not work. So you need to use a type of solvent. You can use turpentine, or I would like to use, Pentart has a nice solvent in a little jar. You just simply stick your brush in, swish it around a few times, and then you can rinse it with water and it's clean. Another pro tip is you want to avoid overworking it. That means going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You just want to make sure you put it on once or twice over a nice thin coat, and that's it. Another pro tip is you can use it to seal paint inlays without having to worrying about it smearing like with water-based. I do this in a well-ventilated area because it does have a strong strong scent, and there's a health warning on there. So just make sure you're in a well-ventilated area, maybe with a fan. Using clear resin, and you want it to be shiny, because when it does pop out of your mold, it tends to be cloudy. You can just put either the matte or the clear gloss on it, and it'll shine it right up. It makes a world of difference by putting it on your resin. And that's it for the clear varnish.